Harshit Jain, Rahul Yadav, and Akshay Kumar. Now Sudiksha will come forward and explain a part of presentation.
Friends, from this project we came to know about our city. We all know that roads are most important part of a civilized city, which provides us a secure and well-managed lifestyles. When we surveyed the road, we found many problems of roads, which affects people who are living around the road. The name of the road is lane number 9, Devinagar. It is near Ayappa Temple. Length is 180 meters. Breadth is 4 meters to 4.5 meters. Now my team members are going to express their views on the work done. Friends, we enjoyed a lot while doing this project. First, we selected a road and clicked photos of those proposals. Then we surveyed and interviewed people. Through this, we came to know about the problems of people living in this lake. There are many problems like lanes built on the road and open drains cause many diseases like malaria, etc. Garbage in open plots and roads. There is no markings and dividers on the road. There are stores, potholes and other things on the road.
Dear friends, you know the road is constructed because of elections. The solution I propose, after the road is completed, all the drains should be covered so that there is no problem of drains going out. Road lights are in good condition of working. There should be good collection of garbage and dustbin should be provided. This is the solution of the road when the road is completed.
I agree that there are problems on the road, open drains, fully garbage, broken roads. These problems are solved when we design the road. There are street lights on the road, the drains are closed, no broken roads.
Friends, you know that the experience of working as a team was very different. We came to know that there are many problems of people and very simple solutions, but no one is ready to try to solve their problems. They all want someone else to solve their problems. Some members and the team along with the following members went to meet the MLA Mr. Prakash Khajriawas. As the elections were going on, he told us to come later. We are waiting for the government city to settle up and then we will approach our board in charge and MLA.
I am going to express my views in the form of slogan. River roads, river walking and highway. Manage roads, manage lifestyle. A civilized citizen, reversible city.
Now we are going to recite our jingle.
Urban planning by definition refers to the layout or a plan of city or urban area. It is very important because without urban planning, the entire city would be in chaos. For example, there would be only buildings with no roads. This led a lot of confusion for planners who ensure that there is enough space in city to live, work and have fun. The main factor that a city planner keep in mind that sustainability can be grouped into equity, economy and environment. As a sustainable city, needs of those who are living in it today without compromising on the ability of those who will live in the future. We can say that without urban planning, a city is impossible to live in.
Now Harsh will introduce our objective.
To find solutions, spread awareness and guide people and to sort out problems in the chosen area. The
the analysis of data.
The mentioned data is collected by the shop owners on the road. It indicates what society was before and after discussing the problems with the municipal corporation.
Now Herschel will tell us about the problem and causes.
A lot of garbage accumulations on the roadsides and catwalks on the road. Many stray animals and garbage produce unhygienic smells. People do not have a designated garbage dumping area, irregular intervals of garbage collection.
Now Astha will tell us our solution which we have proposed.
Shops are assigned garbage dumping areas. Potholes are made with improved quality of road building materials. Stray animals are taken away by the municipal corporation. Garbage is taken by the municipal corporation. This happens because we all complain to the municipal corporation.
Now Aditi will tell us our action which we have proposed.
As a part of initiative, we went to the head to the Sumitra Batodia, the in charge of the road and the welfare of the road ward number 5. She discussed about the problems and appreciate us. We also went to the municipal corporation and she discussed about the solutions for us.
Now Bhavna and Sahil will introduce our slogans.
This city is what it is because our citizens are what they are.
Instead of giving the keys to the partition of the city, it might be better to change the locks.
Now Ananya will tell us our experience.
It was really a very nice experience working as a group. Everyone presented themselves creatively and innovatively. We listened to the ideas of all and gathered them as a file. We learned how much teamwork and coordination among teammates is important for a group project to be completed.
Now my team and I will recite a jingle.
Good morning. We are glad to be a part of the Civic Fest. The name of our team is General Flourishers. We are representing St. Xavier School. Let's get introduced. I am Siddhant Hingla.
I am Akshit Parwal.
I am Edwin Jacob.
I am Gaurav Shawal.
I am Harchandra Singh.
I am Kushal Nayak.
I am Kushan Singh.
I Isaac Mawat.
I am Laura Solanki.
And I am Junaid Khan.
The motto of this project is to develop civic sense amongst the people. This project is to show the problems that are prevalent on the roads.
We people have made a jingle and we request all of you to join in. People don't think of the road as their own and thus damage it. Thus, to solve the problems, people must possess it. Now, Kushagra and Harsimran are coming up to narrate the problems that are prevalent on the road.
The problems on the road are obstruction full pavement, lot of garbage, dirty drains,
Broken street lights, open electric boxes, and potholes on the road.
The qualities of a good road are, there should be a proper drainage system. The base of the road should be strong enough so that the road can last for long. The best materials should be used and quality work must be taken care of. Proper street lighting must be taken care of to avoid severe accidents. Proper garbage disposal should be taken care of as it is the main problem in most of the areas in Jaipur.
Let us get apprised with the problem prevalent on the road.
Pavements are not fit for walking.
There is a lot of garbage on the road.
There are many open electric meter boxes.
Street lights are broken.
There is poor drainage system. And who is responsible for all this? We, the media.
We also took many interviews of the people living on the road and saw their pitiful condition. Our eyes were filled with tears.
We also met Mr. Narendra Singh Shanti and Ms. Neetu Khaitan, which are the councillors of this area. They have assured us to help us in our work.
We have tried to improve the road by cleaning the road and by clearing the pavements. That's the first step taken by us to improve the road. Now we'll be explaining the condition of the road, that how it is and how it should be.
how the road actually.
As we can see, the condition of the road presently is very bad. There are many potholes open on the road. There are many open large garbage piles lying on the pavements and on the road. No one picks it up. The cleaning is not regular, and people cannot walk easily on the pavements as they have so many obstructions. There are open drains, they are unleveled, and the roads are also unleveled. Now let's have a look at how the road should be. This is how the road should be. The road and the pavement should be leveled, and the pavements should be marked easily, and there should be no garbage on the pavements or on the road, and trees must be planted along the pavements or on the road. The street lights should work at night so that people can walk easily and accidents can be avoided.
Good morning everyone. We are the students of American International School, Mansuba, Jaipur. Our group name is Amir.
Today our main group here to present you urban planning of Hirakat Road, Municipal Jaipur. First of all, I will tell you why urban planning is important. Urban planning is very important for sustainability and the utilization of land available in urban areas. It can help to promote good development of an area as well as solve planning problems. Its importance is that it corrects many mistakes that have been done in designing of urban areas. Ishan.
Now I will tell you about the road which we have selected. The name of the road is Hirakat Road. The weight of the road is 125 meters and length of the road is 155 meters. We are also the road survey and the people who live near the road.
प्रॉपर्टी चेक करके देखो उसकी प्रॉपर्टी में कुछ है।
Now I will tell you about the problems related to this road. This type of road creates many problems like everyday road accidents. This road causes wear and tear to vehicles. On that road, garbage gets collected, which spreads in that area. Due to bad sanitary behavior, water flows on the road, which causes infections to many people living in that area. Please take some steps to reduce all these factors. Harshita. This is our present road and this is our future road. Now we redesign this present road in future road. In present road, length and width of the road is very not proper, but in future length and width of the road is proper. And in present, potholes and stray animals are there, but in future, potholes and stray animals are not there. And in present road, street lights and road lights are very few, but in future, street lights and road lights are enough. And in present, dustbins are not there at every corner, but in future, dustbins are there in every corner. Now, Sumit.
I want to tell about we discuss some change in our city. We want to change our city. We want that our city will be look clean, beautiful and clean. The all roads of our city are it is good and fully constructed. The garbage are outside from our city. It is proper places dustbin. In our city, facility should be there. Every person get the rights of the citizen of the city. Thank you.
We are the residents of the association to get together and put an application to the Commissioner of JTA, but nothing had happened. He did not meet us and neither he promised any work. But the photocopy of the examples of photocopy in the file. We are just feel like a reporter when we take interview. We are felt very nervous, but it increased our confidence. The people of that area said that we are facing lots of problems. And that they were said that government not take any action. I said that what problem do you have? They said shortage of water is very much is there. So I want to tell the government to please solve their problem, and we are also citizen of India, so we also give the thank you. Now I wanted to tell you about our team experience as an investigator of road. We did lot of work, like for photos we were going here and there, for file we looked to total Hirakat area. We feel like a reporter, media, etc. We understood that with unity we can change our city. We can do everything possible. We do everything if we can give. We do very hard work for this project. We believe that the government should take strict action to change our city. Thank you.
Now we will present our slogan.
The effort of making a road better is to live a life better.
Now we present our jingle. Road is our basic need. We should keep it clean. Don't throw garbage on the road. Remove dust and make it clean. Plant more trees, make it clean. So our cities look more neat and clean.
Good morning everybody. I am Stan from Central School and I am here to introduce my group member. Disha Goyal, Krushika Luthia, Tani Member, Azan Ahmed Sani, Swed Ahmed, Swed Sagar, Shashwat Sharma. We have taken the road Sarojini Marg Seasoning Jaipur. The length of the road is 1.5 kilometers. The breadth of the road is 12 feet. The length of the footpath is 3.5 feet. It comes in 18 number ward. I would like to speak about the main problems of the road. These are the main problems: broken roads, stray animals, no street lights, no dustbins, no pavements, broken all the things. These are the main. There are many other problems, but these are the main problems of the road. Thank you.
The solution for these problems are as follows. For the broken roads, we can go to the authority of PWD and complain them, and so that they will fix the problem. For the garbage in the road, we can go to the municipality, Nagar Nigam, and we can request them to collect garbage time to time so that road can be clean. For the stray animals, we can also go to Nagar Nigam, and for the leakage of pipes, we can go to water works and tell them to fix the pipe. For the broken traffic lights, we can go to the electricity board. Thank you.
You all can see in the first thing of our presentation, there are broken roads, there are broken pipelines, there are school tickets, there are garbage lining the pedestrian, there are no trees, all trees have been cut, and there are broken bridges, and because of the garbage lining the pedestrian, it is unhygienic because it will spread disease and people will fall sick. So people are forced to walk on the road and they will meet and serious accidents on the road run. And in the second scene of our presentation, this is a 3-to-8 presentation where we rebuild the roads, where you can all see there are clean roads, there are no broken pipelines, there are no sewers leakage, there are trees all planted and grown, and people can walk safely in the pedestrian, and people can drive cars and bike very safely in the road, and if people want to rest, they can rest under the trees in the shadow. Thank you.
I will like to say a slogan for our presentation: Clean Jaipur, second, plant a tree, it's for free. Thank you.
This was a good experience as working together as a team. We went out to interview the people. We surveyed the road. People were laughing at us and said that nothing happened to change and we are wasting our time. We understood that the condition of our cities is so bad because we ourselves do not take responsibility. For us, it was a learning experience that we should be responsible for the road. That was our new experience and which have not been done this work previously. We are very grateful and thankful to Stanley ma'am for giving us such a great opportunity. We are very happy and satisfied with this project. Thank you.
Urban planners help us to build great cities so that we have space to live, work and have fun. We ensure that there are enough roads, parks, access to water, electricity and so on as the population. Shiva.
Why we selected the area? We selected the area, this area. Mahadev Nagar, and there are many problems in the area. And it is nearby our exercise residents of the area. Mrigan. Analyzing and data collection. After going on the roads, we saw many problems like potholes, sewage problem, bad sanitation conditions, street lights, and stray animals. We went and interviewed the people and we get information from each house. They complain against it, but local authorities not taking interest in it. Kritika.
The causes of garbage accumulation is no proper collection like potholes, no postcards, and local products. The government does not take any interest even after putting lots of application and no payment because people have encroached on the road. Jyotsna.
Action taken. We tried to meet our councillor, Mrs. Archana Sharma, but due to elections she did not meet us because she was busy. We met the in charge of ward number 11, Mr. Akshay Sharma, who assured us that he will try to help us after election get over to solve the problem. So, party.
There are many problems like garbage, potholes, rectified and empty, no payment and footpath or open drains, no seat open, smart, bird and stone coming out. Done.
Learning experience. Due to this project, we get so many knowledge and experience. It was good experience working with the team. From this project, we get experience how to take a survey of a road and how to give an urban. Big thanks to our teacher and you to selecting our school. Thank you. Save paper, save tree, and save our planet. Our body, our rights, our city. Can we change our city? Jingles. We are responsible for sweeping roads, pavements, and public lands, helping keep the environment clean from litter and dirt. We are responsible for keeping our cities clean and free from litter. Thank you.
Bal Janayana is a practical civic education program which empowers the school children of urban India. Now, I would like to introduce you to my group, Jaipur Millions, led by Risha Gupta. Medha Agarwal, Rashi Agarwal, Sachiv Aklewal, Jia Gunawar, Mahima Bhatia, Mahi Sinha, Sachiv Aklewal, Jia Gunawar, Mahi Sinha, Soumya Bhargav, Simran Saini, Prachi Jain, and Dipali Singh. Now, I would like Sachi to acquaint us to the term urban planning.
Urban planning, put simply, is a preparation plan for wide-ranging and holistic development of the people living in the city and the areas closely linked to it. Proper planning, as it forms or as it grows, is a necessary condition to avoid several socio-economic problems in the future.
Moving ahead to our annual civic project, our roads, the tender show way. We have selected a road connecting main sector road of Ramnagaria to Shivnagari colony, a local road. Now, Medha and Rashi will brief us about the road and its problems.
Our road is one which is connecting the main sector road of Ramnagaria to Shivnagar 8 colony. The ward number is 34. The length of the road is 200 meters with 60 feet. This is a local unpaved road with lots of holes and thorny bushes alongside. The condition of the road is pathetic. Stones, mud, sand, potholes are found more than paved roads.
Potholes? Oh yes. In the rainy days, these potholes get filled with water and the chances of accidents increase for those who are crossing over the road. Then we are having garbage. Garbage is scattered all around. There is no proper place to even decompose it. Then, as we all know, childhood is the best phase in one's life. One loves to do cycling and so many other things. But the can't even enjoy this. Why? Due to the thorny bushes, potholes, and many other things. Now, I call Simran, Soumya, Shachi for the presentation. That is, they're going to tell about the problems.
Water. In the colony, there is no government water supply. Instead, people have to use their own private tanks and borings. As the water level is very low, as a consequence, people are suffering from the scarcity of water. Parks. In the colony, government has allotted a vacant space for the parks, but the land is not at all maintained and instead it is used for either throwing the garbage or it is a hub of thorny bushes.
Streetlights. In the colony, although streetlights are available, but they rarely work, so it is difficult to walk or to drive at night. As for the absence of light, you cannot stay away from the thieves at night.
Walkability. As there is no road, but in spite of that, nuts and pebbles are scattered all over around, because of which people have to face different difficulties. For example, children can't even ride their bicycle. There is difficulty in driving the vehicles, but not only this, it also harms the vehicles. There is difficulty in walking on the road, and also it gives a worse impression on the colony.
Pollution. The pollution is, as much as I told you that there is no roads, the pollution causing vehicles are actually not causing much pollution. But the sand blows a lot, which not just makes the houses untidy, but also causes problems for asthma patients. And alongside, there are thorny bushes and wild plants also in much quantity because of excess availability of sand. Garbage. The garbage is always scattered in the vacant plots and the areas allotted within parks, which not just makes smell but also spreads several harmful diseases. As well as there are dustbins and no one comes there to pick up the garbage. The colony is itself a dump of it.
We talked to some people living there. Mr. Raja Ramina, a resident of Srinagar A colony. Mrs. Pujarani Gupta, a regular user of the road. Here is a table which describes the average score of the poor condition of road. 28.6 out of 70. As a solution, we talked to the ward councillor and asked the people to give the application, but of no use. Changes don't happen in a minute. We tried our best. We picked up weeds, stones and other things which are creating a problem in the road. Now, to hearten our presentation, here's a jingle for you.
When roads are made for us to travel, then why should we use that broken gas? When parks are made for us to play, then why it's full of sand and clay? When we have tenure, not the road, but we generally have a pollution road. So let's come and join our hands together. Let's for the better improvement for.
Now, Shivani and Prachi would describe her experience.
Neither we stand divided we fall. Team spirit is the soul of any team. We, Temple Megans, had a great experience working as a team. Our annual civic project is about rules. During the project, we interacted with other people, asking them about the problems, what they face, and any other questions. This project gave us a new experience, how to work and what to work. We also presented charts, PowerPoint presentation and files. Youngsters, the future of country, show their talent and finally improve their city on their behalf. Our experience was knowledgeable and could be used in the future. Thank you.
At last, I would like to thank Balchandra for giving us such a wonderful experience and knowledge. Thank you.
Safety isn't just a slogan, it's a way of life. Good morning to everyone. Today, we, the students of Kapil Gandhi School Jaipur, are here to present a mind act on the topic Urban Planning of the Society. The characters of our act include students, workers, city dwellers, etc. Road presented is the location of AV5 School, Madhyama Mahashava Jaipur. Ward number 26, length of the road 100 meter and breadth 60 feet.
important as it develops the city. Cleanliness, route mapping, and traffic rules are the key rules to follow urban planning. We interviewed city dwellers and took their views regarding urban planning. Problems noticed that lack of the housing on the road, street lights, bumper road, etc.
Solution for the problems in a life work. Solution for the problems in a life work. Effective use of dustbins. Proper awareness among city dwellers.
Roadways to be placed in proper places, showing its usage.
We experienced how to work as a team and to win the project. Sense of belonging and togetherness was enhanced.
We all want progress, but progress means getting nearer to the place where you want to be. But if you are walking on the wrong road, then progress means taking an about turn and walking back to the right road. And the person who turns the most soonest is the most progressive man. Good morning to my honorable judges and teachers. Today, we the students of Step by Step High School are going to present a report based on the survey conducted on Chelsea Road. But firstly, let me aware you about the condition of the road and what is urban planning. Let me show you how by switching you to our official news channel, SBS News Channel.
Good morning and welcome to SBS News Channel.
Today's headlines are as follows.
Homosexuality has been declared a crime.
Diesel prices have hiked.
And the Chelsea Road protest is still going on.
Oh, that protest is still going on?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that. Now let's connect to our reporter Dava and see what she has to say.
Yes.
Yes, Mayor, I can hear you. People are coming out of their homes and gathering on the road and protesting about road condition. Look, what are they doing?
Chelsea Road! Chelsea Road! There are no street lights, we need to fight cause it's our right. Chelsea Road! Chelsea Road!
Oh look, Netaji is here.
Netaji!
कार what in charge is?
अरे रुकिए, बात कर रहे हैं. Okay. बोलिए. Do you know about the chaos that has been created on CC Road? What chaos? What chaos?
We have been protesting since 1 week and you say what chaos?
What protest? Yes, a protest. Because there are many problems on the road. There is no proper drainage system and no street lights. There are no dividers and speed breakers on the road. So what is the problem? All these are the problems. So give your views. What are your thoughts? This is the present condition of the road.
This is our view of the road.
It cannot happen. Why? So give your solutions. Then I can do it. You can have a proper working drainage system on the road. You can plant more trees so the nature balance will be maintained. You can get speed breakers and dividers constructed and place street lights.
And use the sanction fund to be seen.
Your idea is very good. I'll try to implement. Till then, your turn.
As the time passed, the ward in charge recognized all the problems and sorted them out.
Now we would like to conclude our performance by pledging our slogan.
Countrymen, wake up. Countrymen, wake up. There are responsibilities which we have to take up. There are responsibilities which we have to take up. We have to dare. We have to dare. It's our home, our city, we have to care. It's our home, our city, we have to care. Thank you.
Okay, good morning. Who are you here? Today, I am Chitani Kedia with my daughter to present about the year 2013-14 project. Firstly, I would like to call Abhinav to tell about urban planning. Urban planning is a technical and political process concerned with the use of the urban environment. Urban environment. It also includes the transportation, ensuring all the process of the urbanization. It also includes the transportation that concerns with the public consultation and implementation of it should be proper. In the mid-19th century, the modern origins of urban reform wake up for the sustainable development. By the 20th century, it just got up and now there is going to tell you more about the project. This is a film project. It is a theme-based collaborative project in which we look at the use of different people, crossing the road and living their life. Objectives of the project are: first, creating responsibility amongst children; second, creating awareness amongst people; and third, but not the last, trying to make an improvement in our city. Now I would like Vandash to tell the facts about the road.
So, before we see the interviews of the people, let us know about our project. Our road is St. Secretary Park, Mansarovar, Jaipur. We have chosen local road with length 500 meters and length 953 centimeters. Ward number is 27 and date of survey is 29 October 2013. Now I would like to invite Swagi who will tell us about the paragraph of interview people.
We have asked people for the problems they faced in the daily life while crossing the road. They told many problems with us and shared what they wanted the improvement in the road. So let's know about the point of view of different people by Parul.
Problems faced by the people are many potholes present on the way connecting the road to many other roads. Second, potholes were even found on the point of turn, leading to many accidents. Third, the increasing air pollution and overflowed rains during the monsoon season leads to many diseases. The increasing breathing problems and breathing problems for old people. No street lights working at night leading to accidents. Now I'll invite Amit to tell you about the solutions what public wants.
The solutions what public wants. The solutions what public wants are as follows. First, repairing of the roads. Second, filling up the potholes. Third, proper street lights. Fourth, proper sewage lines. These are the solutions which public wants on the problems mentioned in the slide before. So by handling the problems, we decided to have a conversation with a member of GT, Mr. Dinka Channel, on the topic of improvement of the road. Let's have a look on it by Saksham.
By the
We tried to solve the problems related to the road by talking to one of the JD members. As a result of it, we got a positive reply towards it. Mr. Chakra said that as soon as the number of this road will come, JDA will repair this road also. While we were on the survey, we clicked some images to know more about the road. Let's have a look on them. Now, I would like to invite Gautam.
These are the images or some pictures by taking the survey. These are the pictures of the potholes and patches present on the road. And these are the pictures of the garbage. Now, I will tell you about the images. There were many potholes present on the road. Second, very much garbage on the side and even on the middle of the road. Third, sand-spread road. By this, many things are caused like accidents, slipping of vehicles due to sand, and smell by crossing the road. Now, I like to invite Nancy.
Now let's see what the condition of the road is. There are many potholes present on the road. Sand is split on the road. Garbage is collected on the corners of the road, and only some of the street lights are working properly. Now, I would like to invite Abhay.
Now, let's have a look on the road that we want. Roads should be cemented and properly repaired. All the street lights should be in working condition and they should be properly read. And garbage should be at the proper interval so that garbage will not spit on the road. Here we can see everything is well organized and proper. So now I call Michelle.
Wow, what an amazing experience when working as a team for the first time for any social cause. Good morning. Today I, Michelle Goyal, would like to tell about our amazing experiences with you all. We all went out of our houses from the comfort zone to try to do something new for our development of the city. We took interviews of people, surveyed the road, noticed the problems on the road, met its locals visitors, and tried to find out the solution for those problems. We came to know about our strength and also that everything is not unachievable. This competition will end today. Maybe we are not the winners. Maybe we are not able to proceed for further competitions. But for us, this competition will not end today. This survey for us will not end today. This competition, this survey will end for us at that day till we do not achieve what we have desired. What we have desired to make this city green, peaceful, beautiful,